everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on the beautiful amplified adventure of the seas. Now this particular category is in the aft of the ship, which makes me really happy. It's one of those J3 Junior Suites. It's incredibly spacious. It does have a connecting room. Let me show you all about this particular category. Now, as soon as you walk in the door here, you've got your breakfast menus to the side. Of course, you can put those out the night before. I love that you can do that, pick a specific time, especially if you have a shore excursion in the morning. Now, right here, you've got your make up the room, do not disturb. You just put the magnet right on the outside to let your cabin steward know exactly what your preferences are. You've got your light switch right here and then the bathroom light switch. Just to my right, you're gonna have the closet. Now inside here, you've got quite a bit of hanging storage. We're just getting here on boarding day, so you can see you've got a little bit of luggage in there. You've got storage all the way up and down, storage up above, and quite a bit extra, including some hanging up in the corner as well. Now directly across from the closet, you're gonna find the bathroom. Now it's bigger for sure than you're gonna find in one of the standard balconies. You've got storage up and down here, got a little bit of storage underneath, you've got those upgraded bath amenities, and then on the other side, you're gonna have a shower tub combo. I love this, especially when you're traveling with the family. It's a really fantastic fit. It does have a shower curtain. I wish it had a shower door, but other than that, this is a fantastic size for a cruise ship bathroom. As we head into the main part of the room, you've got a mirror here, perfect for getting ready to head on out for a beautiful night on board the ship. You see you have a royal king size bed right here. It does separate out. They would put the nightstands in between if you want two twins. You've got two reading lights, the phone on one side, and then you've got storage on both. Now there aren't any plugs right there. I always bring a battery backup so I can have my phone charged while I'm in bed overnight. Now directly across, you're gonna find a reading desk as well as a backlit mirror. It's a really large one for a vanity. You've got storage up and down on either side. You've got a Euro plug on this side, two US plugs on that side, and then more storage all the way up and down. This is actually an additional closet as well with quite a bit of storage on either side. Now just above the television, you've got a little bit more storage there. Down underneath, the same. And as you continue along, you actually have a second writing desk here. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker. Really nice touch. I love starting my day with a nice cup of Italian coffee. Right inside here, you're gonna find a little bit more storage. And then underneath, you're gonna have your mini fridge. You can have it fully stocked or you can utilize it throughout your stay. Continuing along, now we're in the living room area. You've got two nice chairs here. You can really see the upgrades. They redid all the carpet, reupholstered everything in here. And this actually will pull out for a nice bed, so you have a double bed here as well. Now this particular one being in the aft, it does connect to a balcony room here. If you want that connection, you wanna make sure and grab it really early because these aft facing are very popular. So now we're heading out on the massive aft balcony. You see you've got two lounge chairs right here. They do have a light, perfect for reading in the evening. You've got a table there that you can put in between. Nice place for a cocktail. But what I love about this is you can dine right in room. You have an in-room room service menu that's a bit expanded. Two chairs and a table. You can bring another chair out here as well. Love to have a cup of coffee in the morning, tea, or maybe in the evening have a cocktail or a glass of wine. Now we're up on deck 10 with this particular suite, and I love that it looks out. So all of the rooms in the back do have a little bit of an obstruction. It's part of the superstructure of this particular class of ships, the Voyager class. But what I love about this is you can see right over it. It's really an unobstructed view looking directly out to the ocean. Now, when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean cruise, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.